Hello guys, today I want to show you a Christian dating application. So this is the website. So basically I found it very hard to find Christian people online, and I want to show you this solution. Basically here you can see all the profiles and you can select them already. You can see the registered profiles in this category with this language or country tag. And yeah, what basically happens right now, you do not see any profiles because the user data is hidden, obviously. So that's why we need to log in first. So basically you see after login you get automatically redirected to the matching screen. So what we seeing here is that you see the name, the age and the country tag in the top left corner, and here you have the options to select different preferences. Right now I'm selecting women, and here I have this age range selected. And we have this option to a profile boost, so this I will explain in the end. So what you're seeing here is the matching game, but on the screen directly, on the front page directly, you see all the profile data without any hidden profiles. This is very useful because a lot of dating websites, they try to hide all the profiles, and then you have to pay to unlock certain profiles. Here you see all the profiles that are available all at once. You can filter them, and by default you see the newest ones first. In the account menu, you do not have a lot of options. You have this chat screen. As you can see here, there are chats already open, and then I can scroll through the chats right here, and basically just a normal chat. And on the left side you see the matching. So when I click on this, I see that I do not have any likes yet. I think this website is not extremely popular at the moment, so I think I need to wait a little bit longer to see any results here. But yeah, I would see the likes that I got in the matching game here. And as you can see on the account tab, you have the option to the upgrade, and here you can see right away you have the option to pay for 1 year, which is 34, a bit 35 basically, and this is 7 per month. And here you see the differences. So as you can see, the swiping is only available, the unlimited messages, first messages, is only available in the premium, and these two sections as well. With this first one is a profile boost, so you can see that you, because obviously normally all the new profiles get listed on top, but with this setting available, you will stay on top even if you have an older account, and then you will get more attention. And here you have one free AI profile analysis, which sounds very interesting. Yeah, but I have not yet subscribed to this, so I will wait till this to check if the application gets more users, and then I will consider this just for myself. So that is my review. I will keep updates if I see any major changes or have any good experiences with this, or also the bad ones. But yeah, this sounds interesting to me. Let me know what you think of this. I wish you a great day. Bye bye.